What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared here from Debaroo.com. Of course, we're always talking about affiliate marketing, and today we are talking about how to make $100 a day with Facebook ads, and this is, of course, doing affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go over these bullet points here and really tell you everything that you need to know in order to start making your first $100 a day using Facebook ads. With that being said, sure, the title is $100 a day with Facebook ads, but I mean, it could be so much more. There are people making thousands upon thousands, literally tens of thousands of dollars every single day using Facebook ads. It's a really powerful platform. There's tons of people on Facebook on a daily basis, and there's really no limit to the amount of money that you can make. Affiliate marketing is huge. There's tons of different products you can promote. So yeah, let's get into this. But before we do, just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK forum. Alrighty, so first up, we got what kind of products are we going to promote on Facebook? So we're talking about affiliate marketing, and inside of affiliate marketing, of course, we have tons of different niches, and within those niches, we have different types of products. So we have e-commerce type products, which are going to be physical products. We have digital products, courses, and everything in between. So, what kind of products are going to do the best on Facebook? Well, sometimes it's not really about what's going to do the best, but it's about what does Facebook allow on their platform. And to be honest, they don't allow a lot of things that we wish that we could promote as affiliates. Now, I'm not saying this as a hard rule, but almost guaranteed, if you promote these types of products, your ad accounts will get banned, and you may not be able to run ads on Facebook if you promote these types of products. So those types of products are weight loss products, dating. Definitely can't say anything about drugs or gambling, illegal substances, anything like that. Although they are becoming a little bit more lax on CBD products, so we can talk about that a little bit. For the most part, you don't want to be doing make money online offers. Now, when I say this, of course, you still have the potential to promote these types of products. You just got to be really careful about it. You have to be pretty ambiguous in your ad copy, and you can't say any direct claims. You can't say, oh, lose 50 pounds of fat in 2 months, or you can't say, oh, you'll make $1,000 in the next 30 days. Definitely no claims like that, because the users on Facebook might have negative experiences when that doesn't happen for them. Sure, it might happen for some people, but it's not going to happen for everybody, and Facebook wants to do its best to make everybody on their platform happy. So if it's not a good idea to promote those types of products, which products should we be promoting? And I have a few that I really like to promote. So I like to do, like do-it-yourself type products. There's tons of those on, say, Clickbank.com, and there's a huge audience for that because Facebook is becoming an older demographic, and older demographics are into those types of products. Next, and probably my favorite types of products to promote on Facebook, are sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are people can enter in some information like their email and their phone number, and they can get entered into a draw to win a bunch of different kinds of things. It'll be gift cards, vacations, cars, anything in between. And it's really simple because all they have to do is enter in a little bit of information, and once they do that, then you'll get a little bit of commission. Around $1 to $3 is normally the payout for these offers, and it's pretty easy to get these people to sign up because they don't have to do a lot. They just have to enter in a little bit of information. That covers what kind of products that you should stay away from and what products I kind of lead towards when I promote on Facebook ads. Next, we'll go into image versus video, and it kind of depends on what kind of products you're promoting. So if you're doing an e-commerce type offer with a physical product, then video is normally going to do better for that because you can see exactly how the product is being used, see its features, and it's just a lot easier to display what the product is with the video. That being said, videos are harder to produce. They take a lot more time or a lot more money if you're hiring that out. So that's why I normally stick with images in the beginning. They're a lot easier to produce. Therefore, I can get into my testing as soon as possible, and once I see that it has some potential, if I'm getting some sales with images, then I can definitely transition over into videos at a later point and do a split test to see which might perform better. Like I said, I run a lot of sweepstakes offers, so I'm always using images for sweepstakes, and I have some videos on my channel where I kind of go over what kind of images that I create and how I create those images. Now, another strategy when you're promoting on Facebook ads is to generate leads. What I mean by this is instead of just sending people straight from your ad over to an affiliate product, you can send them to a bridge page in between, which will collect emails. Then you can continue to send these people emails for as long as you wish, or until they opt out of your list, continuing to promote either the same product or different products in the same niche. This can be really effective because you have more than one opportunity to sell this person, and it can really increase your ROI in the long run. This, of course, requires a little bit more effort because you have to set up the landing page, integrate the email marketing, and of course write the emails. You can definitely increase the amount of money that you bring in from your initial Facebook ad spend. Moving on, I got something here that says quality ads, and essentially what I mean by this is they gotta look good. Nobody's going to bother to stop and look at your ads if they look like garbage, or if they look like just plain stock images, because that doesn't jump out at anybody. That doesn't grab anybody's attention. People are mindless when they're on social media. I'll just be literally on Instagram just swiping and swiping and swiping, and I'm not thinking about anything. My brain is completely blank. So the only time that my brain actually turns on is if I see something that piques my interest. Some of the ways to do this with Facebook ads are to just create pattern interrupts. So they're scrolling on Facebook and they see essentially the same type of thing over and over again. But if you can create an ad that breaks that up, then people are going to stop, look at your ads, read your copy, click on your links, and hopefully take the actions that you want them to take. Some ways to do this are by just simple things like putting a bright border around your images so that it pops out a little bit more in the feed, or adding in arrows or red dots or circles, just things that'll catch their attention a little bit more, or even using cartoon or vector images instead of real people. All of these things are ways to make your ads stand out, and they all work to increase your click-through rate and of course the amount of money that you can make. In terms of targeting, Facebook has incredibly detailed targeting, and that makes it really easy for affiliate marketers. We can find the exact person who's going to be interested in our product, but we don't always know what's going to convert the best, which is why I go into the next one, which says split tests. I don't know why I put this one at the bottom, because it's 100% the most important part about Facebook ads and kind of just paid advertising in general is split testing. You can make assumptions, but your assumptions are almost always going to be wrong. The only thing that tells the truth is the data. So you need to be split testing different images, image versus video, different placements, different audiences, anything you can think of, different bridge pages. All of this is going to help hone in on that perfect customer that you have. And you might have an idea of what they might look like, but you will never know exactly who they are until you do the tests and until you find the data. So even if you have something profitable, never stop split testing, because you can always increase your ROI. And if you want to make $100 a day, then you definitely have to do split tests. So my verdict, can you make $100 a day with Facebook ads? 100%. Can you make $100 a day with affiliate marketing using Facebook ads? 100%. There are people absolutely killing it with Facebook ads, and they keep in mind all of these things that I mentioned before. So what's stopping you from creating $100 a day ads? There really is no excuse. Go out there, start testing out different offers, create quality ads, and then split test them to death. If you can do this over and over again, then there's no reason that you can't start making $100 a day. So thanks a ton for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And once again, I just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK Forum.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.